Traditional enterprise architecture relies on thousands of pages of static documentation that are often obsolete before they are even exported. Staying locked in this manual cycle prevents the enterprise from moving toward an autonomous future. In an era of agentic AI, these legacy models create a liability, as they cannot provide the real-time context autonomous systems require to function. Operationalizing autonomous decision-making requires changing the architect's core output from static documentation to executable governance. The old gold standard of manual TOGAF diagrams and application inventories fails to keep pace with modern technical debt. These static repositories serve as a record of the past rather than a tool for execution. This framework shows the required transition from static maps to live engines. Enterprise architecture must function as the operating system of the organization to remain relevant. Automated compliance and risk control must be embedded directly into the architecture layer, replacing manual, check-the-box exercises. When governance is built in, it acts as an accelerator that allows AI to scale without increasing enterprise risk. Today, the modern enterprise operates as a highly orchestrated network of real-time decision systems and autonomous agents working together. This shifts the architect's focus to the top right of the model, the orchestration of intelligence. The role now centers on designing the logic that governs how the enterprise thinks. Architects are responsible for bridging the gap between high-level business strategy and the logic used in autonomous execution. This ensures that AI behaviors remain transparent, reliable, and aligned with human intent. Because AI performance depends on the quality of its context, architects must build an actionable flow of enterprise truth. This infrastructure rests on three pillars. The first is knowledge architecture. This centralizes structured truth, historical context, and the policy guardrails agents need to reason accurately. Next is decision intelligence, which provides the framework to automate execution while keeping AI within the organization's risk tolerance. The final pillar, executable governance, embeds automated compliance checks directly into the system design. These three pillars provide the technical foundation required for AI to achieve scale and speed safely. Market leadership over the next decade will belong to organizations that operationalize AI through intelligent architecture, rather than those that simply accumulate the most AI tools. As shown in the bottom right of the framework, architectural value is now measured by direct influence on enterprise execution and trust, moving away from the previous focus on the volume of diagrams produced. Executable governance is the definitive foundation for an autonomous future. The